I used Subli sublimation HTV and then I print it on the rough side. You don't need to print on the glossy side. For this sublimation HTV, you don't need to mirror the image as well. After printing, you need to let dry the ink for some time. After that, I heat press the hoodie. I cut the extra part because the image looks big on the front, so I cut it and make the length short. After that, I peel off the plastic layer that you normally do with HTV. Be careful with peeling because ink is still a little wet, so you don't ruin the design, and I ruined 3 sheets because I watched some videos they showed that you need to put it for some time in the heat. But when I applied heat, I can't remove the backing, it was stuck with it. I suggest don't apply heat, let it air dry, and after when you remove layer, apply the clear transfer tape on top of the sublimation HTV. From one side, it was struggle to remove plastic layer because it was stuck, and when I forced it, it was ripped. I had to print again and do all the procedure again. That's why I suggest don't apply heat. It's hard to peel off the layer when you apply heat. After that, I applied transfer tape. When you apply transfer tape, make sure there is no bubbles and it's aligned properly. Now you can see the white side is the side you are facing to your clothes and printing side is facing you. After that, I heat pressed it for 2 minutes. After that, I removed the transfer tape. Did other hoodie. Final result.